Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up return policy on Shopify. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open Shopify, log in into your account, then head directly to this dashboard right here. Once you are in this dashboard, go to the bottom left corner, then click on settings. And once you click on settings, now you will have to go to policies just right here. And here, as you can see, you have here this option, return and refund policy. Just click on it. Then here you will have to type here a paragraph or a description just in order to demonstrate how your return and refund policy will work. So in my case, I have text that I generated using the AI. I used ChatGPT. So I'll just paste the text right here, then click on publish. But you should write it on your own or simply take it from another refund policy. You can do your own research and see how this return and refund policy are created by checking multiple return policies from other websites or other stores. And after that, you can simply click on publish and make sure that you insert all your personal data, like the email address that the people will contact you on and the address of your store or your shop HQ, just in order to refund or return the products to it. After that, you can simply click on publish, and once you click on publish, it will be displayed just right here. Now, what you should do is to simply go back to your dashboard, then click on your online store. Then here you should go to navigation just in order to show this section of return and refund policy in the page or the menu of the website. So now I'm going to click on create menu. Then here you should name the menu. Let's say that I will name it return policy, for example. Then click on add menu right here and label it. Then add the link of your return policy. Then click on save. And you can also go to the footer menu right here and add it to your footer menu instead of the search itself. So here I will click on create menu, then click on add menu, then here click on link. Now you should go down till you find here policies, then choose refund policy. And here you are, you have added it. Then click on save. I'll just name it anything right now. I'll name it refund, for example. Then click on save. And here you are, you now have it added to your own website on one of the online pages that you have. As you can see right here, we have it, and that is it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.